Hey, it's Rob from the Big Green Egg here to show you all the capabilities of Egg Genius. Obviously, this is a Wi-Fi enabled app that you can download on any of the app stores. What you're going to do is follow the on-screen instructions, and then you're going to get the device connected to your mobile device. Once you get the device connected, you'll get a green light, a solid green light on the device, and then you'll start seeing your temperatures on your mobile device or an iPad, Alexa Show, or the Alexa Dot as well. You can find all that stuff. Even Google Home has it as well. So a couple cool options I'm going to show you. Once you get it connected, you have everything that comes in the box is a pit probe and a meat probe. So you're going to take those, run them around the back, and then you're going to bring them over the convector legs because you want to protect them from the heat. So you're going to do that. You usually take your alligator clip and clip it up top so you're closer to the heat range up here if you have the expander. If you do not, it's okay. You clip it over on the grid itself, but you want to keep it away from the edge so you don't burn up the devices as well. Usually these are used for the slow and low cook, so the temp's pretty good. These cables are good up to about 450, 500 degrees. A couple other options you also have is you can add these Y connectors as well and extra meat probes, so you can get up to 3 meat probes, including the pit probe as well. So that's 4 inputs that you get, and the device will read that same on the app as well. I'm going to show you a couple other things here, excuse me, that you can get it on the iPad. You can also get it on Alexa. So watch, I'll tell Alexa, Alexa, show me my Flame Boss cook.
Okay, here's Flame Boss. The pit is 80 degrees, meat 1 is 72 degrees, meat 3 is 75 degrees.
Now it just gave me all of my temperatures that you can see and also a display of it. You can change the set temp as well. Alexa, ask Flame Boss to change my set temp.
What set temperature would you like?
250 degrees.
Okay, changing set to 250 degrees.
Now once that is done, it'll show up on the iPad, your cell phone, and even your Apple Watch, where you can see that all the temperatures have changed to what I just told Alexa to change it to. So not only can you take it on the go to church, go to the store, whatever you need to do on your mobile device, you can also do it on an iPad sitting in your house, talk to Alexa in your house or Google Home. You can do all that stuff with Egg Genius. When setting this up in the beginning, I also want to make mention that you only have to crack this just a little bit, just to get a little airflow to go through. The fan will control the rest of it. So you don't have to worry about that. This is also set up to do its own downloads on the firmware to update. So that is something new as well. It'll download all that stuff. You will have to keep up, but you can do it automatically with your apps on your cell phone or your iPads or things like that. So some great options you have with Egg Genius and how it can control up to a pit probe and 3 meat probes. So pretty cool.